Hello, I am Witch Nikki. This will probably go on my YouTube, and I'll try to put it links for it on Facebook, and also I'll try to post it on TikTok. I'm not an expert, and I'm not a beginner. I just crochet how I feel and what I want to do, okay? I don't know all the terms, so that's how much I can help beginners, because I kind of learned by myself. I was taught, and then I kind of learned by watching other people. There's all different styles of hooks and different sizes. During 2020, I ordered a whole bunch. This one is a very long one. It's for a different kind of stitch that I'm not showing here today. I'm not an expert. This is another long one. I forgot the name of this, but when I remember, I'll try to put it down in the links or a description. But if somebody out there knows what the long ones are called, I know how to use it. I just am not using that one right now. This one, for reference, happens to be the US size is, I can barely see these sometimes. It looks like H, 8 or 6, 5, something millimeters. It's very small, but it's not teeny tiny. They come smaller, so teeny. I just picked random thread because this is all I have for right now. I don't know what kind it is. I don't care. It's not important. What's important is you just get some kind of thread. Okay. Now to start, you need to do a chain stitch. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to start that. Some people just twist this around your finger, and then they stick the hook through and pull that through the long working end. They pull it through to make another hoop, but then you've got to pull it to where this becomes sort of like a knot. Okay, but it's not a knot. It will pull right out. See that? That's why they call it a slip knot. I just go like that. Let me do it again. Go around your finger, pinch it, pull the long end. See, it's kind of hard to see, but then you just pull it through. You can use your hook if you want to, and pull it. Pull it tight. But now, you don't want to start with it hanging like this. It's going to make it all uneven. Leave this one alone for now. You're not going to use this for quite some time. Now, I like to put my finger like this. You will find a way that will be comfortable for you. So here's what I do. Over my pinky, around it, up to my first finger, See how it's looped like that? And now I have to do it fast. See? Now I want to hang on to the tail. Let's call this a tail because it's shorter. And this is usually called the working end because this is where you're going to work. I'm just going to show you how to do the chain, the beginning chain stitch. Okay? So here you have it like this. And if you're left-handed, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do it this way. I'm right-handed, so the working part is here. And this is kind of like where you're bringing up the yarn from the ball. Okay, so you have it like this. I'll try to show it in different positions. The hook part is facing me. Now I'm going to go cross over and with my finger pull this over the hook towards me, grab onto the hook, the thread with the hook, and pull it through that hoop. Each time that I do it, I hold on to this part, this little end, because if you just leave it there, you can't really do anything, can you? So you need to hold on to it so that this is straight enough to grab it. Okay, and what we're going to do, see, we have it like this. The hook is facing me over. It's over the yarn, and then I pull the yarn over on top of it where the hook is facing me, and I pull that yarn through the hoop. Okay? I'm teaching people the way I would like to be taught. Slowly and gently and as clearly as possible. No loud music going, no music in the background. It's just me, you, the hook, and the yarn. So here we go again. I know some people have caught on, but let's try it again. The hook is facing me, cross towards my hand here, pull the thread or the yarn over the hook, and pull that yarn right into this hole. Now, you might see that this top hoop is a little bit big. So what you want to do, grab it closer. Now you don't want to pull it so tight that you won't be able to get the hook back in there again when you go back. But you want them all kind of uniform and the same. They will be showing up better the more we do. I'm not perfect. I learned how to do this when I was about 8 years old. And I've had to kind of teach myself as I go along. So now I'm going to do it kind of quickly. But you always have the hook, not over here like this. I guess you could, but I do it like this. It's facing me. See that? Cross, bring this around, pull it through, adjust it so that they're all pretty even. And this is a chain. I'll do something else with the chain later. Try to do as many of these chains as you can. Do 10, do 20, do 30. And then once you've mastered the chain, you can do just about anything else with it. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.